Welcome back to Math Defined. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. What happens when powers are simplified to result in an exponent of 0? Let's break it down step by step. Before we begin simplifying, let's take a moment to examine this fraction. The numerator and the denominator are the same, so we know two things. First, a fraction is also a division problem. And second, any number divided by itself is always equal to 1. So 6 to the fourth over 6 to the fourth is equal to 1. Now let's see this math in action. To simplify this fraction, we will use the quotient of powers rule. This rule states that when the bases are the same, we keep the base and subtract the exponents. Subtracting 4 minus 4 results in 6 to the 0 power. But you might be thinking, wait, didn't we just see that 6 to the fourth over 6 to the fourth is equal to 1? Yes, we did. And this is why I chose this example to show you that any value except 0 with a 0 exponent is always equal to 1. Let's look at this fraction one more time to show you why this is true. Writing numbers out in expanded form is really helpful in understanding mathematical rules. So let's start by writing the numerator and the denominator in expanded form. Next, we can cancel out all these 6's, resulting in 1 over 1, which simplifies to just 1. So the next time you see a power with an exponent of 0, you'll know it is equal to 1. However, you need to also remember that if you see a power with a base of 0 and an exponent of 0, it is never equal to 1. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it. Until next time, keep math awesome.